Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.6. The first subdivision is integral of x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. The sums in this exercise will be solved by a method called partial fraction. So first let's write the expression of fraction x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 as a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x minus 3. So if you cross multiply a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2, the whole thing divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So if you compare, the denominators are the same. So let's compare the numerator. A into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1. Now let's put the value of x is equal to 3. So this means a into 0 plus b into 3 minus 2 is 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 is 2. So b is equal to 2. Now let's put x is equal to 2. So this means a into minus 1 plus b into 0 is equal to 1. So minus a is 1 or a is equal to minus 1. So now the integration fraction will change as integral of minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 2 divided by x minus 3 dx. I can break this into two integrations. So it is minus of dx divided by x minus 2 plus 2 into dx divided by x minus 3. Now if you look at x minus 2, if you put it as t, so dx will be equal to dt, which means the first fraction or integer integration will become dt divided by t. So after integration, this is minus of log of x minus 2 plus 2 into, similarly if you put x minus 3 is equal to t, dx will be equal to dt. So this integration will also look of the form dt by t. So after integrations, 2 log of x minus 3 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Here the integration is integral of 3x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 18 dx. First we have to do split the middle term for x squared plus 3x minus 18, which will be x plus 6 into x minus 3. Now for partial fractions, so 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 6 into x minus 3 can be written as a by x plus 6 plus b divided by x minus 3. So a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 6, the whole thing divided by x plus 6 into x minus 3. So if you compare the numerators, a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 5. Now let's put x is equal to 3 here. So a into 0 plus 9b will be equal to 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So b will be equal to 14 by 9. Now you put x is equal to minus 6. So a into minus 9 plus b into 0 will be minus 18 plus 5. So it is minus 13. So a will be equal to 13 by 9. Now let's put this back in the integration. So this integration will reduce to 13 by 9 by x plus 6 dx plus 14 by 9 by x minus 3 dx. So if I have to break this integration into two parts, so 13 by 9 integral dx by x plus 6 plus 14 by 9 integral dx divided by x minus 3. Now if you put x plus 6 is equal to t, dx will be equal to dt, which means the first integration will look of the form dt by t. So after integration, this will be 13 by 9 log of x plus 6 plus 14 by 9. Now look at this integration, here also if you put x minus 3 st, dx will be equal to dt. So the integration again will look as dt by t. So after integration, it is log of x minus 3 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.